Launch checks have been completed. Initiating system startup. All systems go. We are ready for launch. Stand by. Countdown commencing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh god! It's actually not as bad as I remember it being.
No, I really enjoyed it.
It's almost carly time!